Okay, I'm going to make 2 videos on circles. That's our next thing we're going to be doing on Monday and Tuesday. Now, a circle only needs 2 things. It needs the point where it's starting from. Then it needs to know how far from that point are you actually graphing the circle. Now, this is not the circle. It's called the center of the circle. And let's say the circle is 2 units away. So you go left 2, up 2, right 2, and down 2. Then you connect it with the curve. Wow, that's actually pretty good. That's the best circle I've ever drawn. I'm going to make a stupid mistake and have to throw this away. I know I am, because that is too beautiful. Oh my goodness. So the 2 things you need is something called the center of the circle, the starting point. Now this is inside the circle, not the circle. The circle is this right here, curve. Then you need the distance from the center to a point on the circle. That distance is the same all the way around, and that's called the radius. Now look at the equation of a circle. That's the generic equation. Guess what the center is? HK. Just like all the other graphs. Now what's different is R is the radius, so this number's the radius squared. So I call it the CR. CR. Now if you want to be a little rude, you can call it the CR. But whatever makes you happy. So it'd be 1, -2. And the radius would be the square root of 4, which is 2. Now, normally I don't have you graph this on a test, because usually people make a horrible graph, to be honest. Not to be mean, but usually it's just kind of bad. Yep, I can't see. There we go. So, oh, yeah, that's a little more lumpier than the other one. This is beautiful. So this one. Let's see, the cur or the sir. The sir would be -2, 1. And the radius would be the square root of this number is 3. So -2, 1. It'd be up 3, 1, 2, 3. Down 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, oh my goodness, they're getting worse. Oh, it's still not horrible. Do those 2. Freeze the video, do those 2, and then turn it back on. Okay, so the sir, 3, 0, and the radius is 4. Wow. So 3, 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's a curve. Wow. They're getting worse by the minute. So the center, and again, usually I just have you find the center and radius, but I thought I'd give you some practice. And the radius would be 1. Square root of 1 is 1, so -1, 2. So up 1, right 1. Down 1. Oh, this is going to be horrible. So, ooh, not horrible. Now, sometimes it's not in proper form. So, remember, it's x minus h plus squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So, this is already square, so there's nothing to do. How do I take a polynomial, work with it to get a binomial square? Complete the square. Half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. I got to add 4 to this side. So it'd be x squared plus y plus 2 squared is 16. So my center would be 0, -2, and my radius is 4. So this one, I got to do the x's and then do the y's. So half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. See, I told you, remembering those squares make life easier. Then half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. I add 10 to this side. So it'd be x plus 3 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 16. So I find my so it'd be negative 3, 1. And the radius is 4. Okay, 2 problems. Put it in proper form and state the center and the radius and then turn me back on. Okay, you should be able to do this by now. We've been doing this, completing the square for a while. Half of 10x is 5. 5 squared is 25. Half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. That'd be 29 plus 7 is 36. So x plus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 36. So my center is negative 5, 2. The radius is 6. And then this one, don't have to complete square on this. It's already a square by itself. Half of 8 is 4. 4 squared is 16. And 9 plus 16 is 25. So it'd be x plus 4 squared plus y squared equals 25. So the center is negative 4, 0, and the radius is 5. Good deal, Murphy Duty. So, part 2 will be in a minute.